Hey there, language explorers. Welcome back to our channel where we discover and simplify the interesting world of the English language. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Today, we're going to tackle a topic that's pivotal in mastering English, prepositions of place. Yes, we're talking about the three most commonly used prepositions: in, on, and at. These little words carry a lot of weight when it comes to describing where something is located. Let's start with in. We use in to talk about enclosed or bound spaces or areas. Think about it like being inside something. For example, I left my keys in the car. She is in the room, or I live in New York. The subject in these sentences is located within a certain area or space. Next up is on. We typically use on to refer to surfaces or a position above a surface and in contact with it. This often comes with an implied sense of being supported by it. Here are some examples. The book is on the table. He sat on the chair. There is a scratch on the screen. These all involve contact with a surface. Lastly, we have at. This one is used for more specific places, points, or events. It's also used for specific addresses. So you'd say, she's at the entrance.
Hi.
I will meet you at the concert.
Music.
He is waiting at 123 Street Avenue. These sentences describe a precise point or place. Let's look at prepositions with transportation. This can sometimes be tricky in English, but I'll do my best to break it down for you. In is often used when referring to smaller enclosed modes of transportation where you can't really walk around, like a car or a taxi. For example, she's in the car. I read the news in the taxi on the way here. On is typically used for larger modes of transportation that you can walk around on, like a bus, a plane, a ship, or a train. It is also used for smaller, non-enclosed modes of transportation like a bicycle, a motorcycle, or a horse. Examples would include they're on the bus. He's on a plane. She rode on a horse. At is not often used directly with modes of transportation, but rather to refer to places where you might find or use these modes of transportation. For example, he's waiting at the bus stop. We'll meet you at the airport. Remember, folks, prepositions can be quite tricky, and these rules aren't always perfect. English usage can vary based on cultural context and specific phrasing. Practice makes perfect, so keep practicing and you'll master them in no time. That's all for today's episode on prepositions of place. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends who are also learning English. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.